Good morning traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we closed the gap as we use this level here. Pretty much we're hovering on the gap right now, and we just fell short of the next level. Okay, just get that perfect. I'll give those levels to you on the lower time frames. At the moment we've got Trump threatening to ban multiple Chinese apps, and Asia's down slightly, and that's what's driving this at the moment. So let's just have a look at what actually transpired yesterday. We were pretty much sideways for almost 2 days, and then we sort of came down just before the jobs number came out. And we sort of bounced around, didn't really rally, but then late in the session buyers stepped in and started driving this price up. So at the moment we've come back, we're testing this this area here, okay, and that's pretty much where the gap is. Right there, the gap was at 33.33, if you remember. We're at 33.39 right now. So for me, I'm still looking for opportunity to buy. We're just short of this level, which was 32.62. So this is actually the area that I'm looking to buy. So it's almost a case of we should be in already. I'll just wait for the European session at the moment. So this is the opportunity to buy. I am anticipating that we get this level, and then obviously the next level on the cards is pretty close to the all-time high, which will be 33.88. Okay, so this would be a perfect area to buy actually from a price action perspective right now, but it is wrong time of day. I'd like to see a second attempt at this during a normal trading session. Anyway, that's kind of the plan. If that doesn't transpire, then we'll figure out something over here. So what you'll have is you've got a range up at the top here. So you could see a break into the range, bounce around until, remember we've got non-farm payrolls today, bounce around with non-farm payrolls, and then continue to the upside. So time will tell, but this does interest me right now. Okay, and this area here is 33.32, which is definitely, if you look to the left, you can see all the support that was found here. Second thing here, just to highlight something, you can see here with an inverse head and shoulders. So here is a shoulder, here's a head, there's a shoulder, and then there's another one. There's a shoulder, there's a head, and there's a shoulder. So there are two necklines here. So this is the first one, and that's the second one. If we use this here, that's the first head and shoulders. Look what happened, just a little bit short, and then up to close it. Okay, if we use the second one, you'll probably find that that top level is the target. Just beyond the top level here. Okay, anyway, just a bit of price action that you can see transpiring there. So for me, it is non-farm payrolls today, so you've got to be cautious. I'll have to wait and see what that number is. We are also still waiting for the stimulus package as well. So yes, I think it's sit on hands. This does look attractive in this area, but it wouldn't surprise me to see this drop a little bit further. If we just come back to the hour, it wouldn't surprise me to see it drop down to here, and alternatively all the way down to this area as well. Okay, which would be 3300, and alternatively 33.20. Now, one last thing that I just want to highlight here is there's the jobs number. The jobs number was pretty much at this area here, and it gapped up. There's quite a big gap here, and these gaps more than often close sometime. Not always right at the time that they're created. Sometimes it takes a day or two, sometimes it takes a week or a month, but that is a magnet, and it'll remain a magnet until it's closed. So this would not surprise me to see us pull all the way back down to this area, and then the buyer step in. In that scenario as well, there's a potential for a hangman to be built, or inside bar. So, and that would be on the daily time frame. Okay, so yeah, so for me, just wait and see, wait for the European Open, see what transpires. If we do find some support here, definitely jump in on this for a long scalp, but we'll get out of it just before jobs number or non-farm payroll. So once non-farm payroll's through and cleared, then I'll have a look at it again to see whether we have an opportunity or not. Okay, anyway guys, that's my message view today. Definitely it is looking attractive in the zone that we're in at the moment, but we'll wait for the European session to confirm. Okay, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.